Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So today I thought I would take a little break from the normal renovation, house projects, decorating type of videos, and I would film something a little bit more lifestyle related. So I'll be taking you along on my day today and tomorrow morning as well. Here at the beginning of the video, I'm going to give you a little baby update, answer some of your questions, and then we're going to do some prep for the baby. And then for the rest of the day, I just have a lot of cleaning and organizing and laundry that I need to get caught up on. So I don't share a whole lot of baby updates on this channel just because that's not what this channel is about. This channel is about home related content, but I still do like to give you an update every once in a while just because I get a lot of questions, and also this baby is the biggest thing going on in our life right now. So the day that I'm filming this video, I'm currently 21 weeks pregnant, and by the time you all see this video, I'll be almost 22 weeks pregnant, so it is going by really quickly. Last week we had our 20-week ultrasound and everything is looking great. The baby is growing and healthy, which we're so thankful for. We got some cute little pictures of the baby here, and usually at our 20-week ultrasound is when we find out the gender of our baby. We did that with our 2 boys that we already have, but we decided to do it a little bit different this time around, and that has been my most asked question lately is, are we finding out the gender of this baby? Did we already find out the gender? Are we doing a gender reveal? All of those types of questions I get at least every single day. This time we are not finding out the gender of the baby until the baby is born, which we're really excited about. And honestly, I didn't think I'd ever have the patience to wait until the baby was born to find out if it was a boy or a girl. But this pregnancy has been going by so fast, it doesn't seem like that long to wait. So that is pretty much all that there is to share about that. We do have a name picked out if it's a little girl, but if it's a little boy, we have no idea what the name is going to be. We cannot find a baby boy name that we both like. We were trying to find a boy name with 4 letters because Kyle's name is 4 letters, Owen's name is 4 letters. So if it's a 3rd baby boy, we would like for his name to have 4 letters as well, but we cannot find any 4-letter names that we both like, so we may not be able to do that. But if you have any suggestions, please leave them down below. Okay, so let's get started with this day. I'm going to go back and go through all of the baby items, make a list of everything that I need to get all of that organized, and then I need to get started on all of the cleaning and the laundry and the organizing. In my latest decluttering and organizing video, I moved all of the baby items that we have from my office here into the bedroom, and I just put them all into this nook here in our bedroom, and I just wanted to go through everything today, start a running list on my phone of everything that we needed to get before this baby comes. We've got about 18 weeks here until the baby's going to be here, but I just wanted to start a list so that I could slowly start collecting everything over the next 18 weeks. So after we moved twice in 1 year, I didn't have too many baby items left because I did get rid of a lot of things during those moves. So there is still quite a few things that I need to get, but right here in our master bedroom, this nook where I'm keeping all the baby stuff is going to be the baby's little corner in our room. We're going to do some type of accent wall on this back wall and then keep its little bassinet in here and just all of its items. Give us your suggestions down in the comments on what type of accent wall you think we should do on this back wall. We're thinking about maybe just painting it an accent color or maybe put some wood back here, but let us know your thoughts down below. So I've got my first 2 packages of newborn diapers. I'll definitely need a lot more than these. And then I do have a mirror for the car seat. I like when I'm sitting in the front seat to be able to look in the back and check on the baby, so that's really nice. I don't have a car seat yet though, so that's definitely at the top of the list. I do have one of these Ergo Cocoon. I got this for Owen, but I don't think I ended up using it very much because I would just swaddle him, which I thought that I had some swaddles, but I can't find any of my swaddles, so I'm gonna have to get some of those. I have a few baby baby toys, and then my wrap right here, which I love wearing my baby, so I might even get a second wrap or a sling, something like that. I ordered both of these off of Amazon. This one is for on the go in the diaper bag in the truck, and then this one will keep here in the house. I feel like these were both a good investment because we're going to be changing a lot of diapers in the near future. So you push right here and this will pop up. Got a weighted plate on top for the wipes, and then you can also see how many wipes you have left here in the front. And then as far as clothes for newborn and 0 to 3 month, this is all that I have that's gender neutral. So I'm just going to order some gender neutral sleepers and onesies and all of that online. A few burp cloths and then some blankets. I want to get some more blankets, swaddles, more burp cloths. You go through so many of these types of blankets. So yeah, now I've got my list of what I need and I can slowly start collecting stuff until baby comes. Okay, so now that we've gone through all of the baby stuff and I made that list, now we're going to go and get started with all of the cleaning that I want to get done and the laundry, and then I'll be filming tomorrow morning when I head to town, so keep on watching if you want to see that as well. I wanted to start off by tidying the boys' bedroom, make their beds for them, and then go through their clothing and get it reorganized in their drawers. It had just gotten a little bit crazy in here, big pile of clothes on the floor, some laundry baskets of clothes, and their drawers were unorganized. So I wanted to get these reorganized for them, and they do clean up their bedroom every day and make their bed and all of that. They're old enough now, 4 and 7, that they can do their chores, but I do like to come in here sometimes and get things reorganized for them. I'm working in the kitchen now, getting all these dishes cleaned, and then I'm going to wash out the sink. There was a lot more cleaning and laundry that I wanted to get done on this day, but some other things came up, and this is all the cleaning that I got done, but at least it was something. I did get a couple things checked off my list, and here in a minute we're going to be heading to town the next morning. Hey everyone, so it is early the next morning and I'm on my way to my midwife appointment this morning, and I just stopped and got some breakfast. I stopped at the Native Grounds coffee shop here in Benson. They have really yummy coffee and I love to support local coffee businesses when I can. So I got a iced white chocolate latte, and then I also got a muffin here. They have the best muffins up here, and this one is a blueberry muffin and it's got lemon filling inside of it. It is just the best, and I got here early enough that I was able to get one because they usually sell out really quickly. Now I'm going to get back on the road and head to my midwife appointment. I'm running a little bit late, so I need to get going. Okay, so I just got out of my midwife appointment. Everything is looking great. They're always so sweet in there. I love the office that I go to, all of the nurses, the midwives, and everything. And I got out of my appointment and it started pouring the rain, which is really exciting. We're currently in monsoon season here in Arizona, so we are just loving every time that it rains. I just pulled up to the consignment store here, and this consignment store will buy your clothing from you. You can either get store credit or cash. I usually do store credit because you can get more that way. Okay, so I didn't find any baby stuff in there, but I did get 3 books and 2 pairs of pants for Kyle for only $15 for all of this. These are Levi's and these are Children's Place. Okay, so I went in Target and then I grabbed a little mod pizza for lunch, and now I'm going to do a little haul of everything that I got at Target. The first thing I got is this super soft jersey blanket. I like that the material is stretchy. I could possibly use this as a swaddle as well. I got a Frida baby nose Frida. I've heard a lot of good things about these, so I wanted to get one for this baby. And then since I got a baby bath, I went ahead and got some body wash for the baby. This is by Baby Dove. And then this is a little baby bath that I got, bath support, I guess you would call it. The brand is Angel Care. It's got really good reviews online and a pretty good price. This was $19. So this will be great to put in the tub. This also probably will fit in our kitchen sink as well, which will be really nice. And then I grabbed this maternity dress because it looked really comfy. The material's really soft. This is by Isabel Maternity. So I feel like that was a pretty good start to collecting the items that I need for the baby. And now I have to go into Lowe's. We are working on finishing up building the patio wall this week. After that storm damage that we got, it took out our little patio wall, and so we've been working on rebuilding that this week, and I just have to grab a couple more things in Lowe's. So that is going to be it for today's video. Just a short little casual video today, but hopefully you still enjoyed it. Thank you all so much for watching and supporting our channel. We appreciate each of you so much, and we'll see you in a couple days with a new video. Bye.